With the high cost of electricity bills, Independence Park Limited, the entity which manages and maintains the National Stadium complex, could be going the route of solar energy soon. According to IPL's General Manager Major Desmond Brown, plans have already been put in place for the complex.
With the island having its fair share of sunlight on a daily basis, Jamaicans are slowly moving towards solar power. And ready to take advantage of the solar system is the Independence Park Limited, IPL, which would result in a huge decrease in its electricity bill.
Right now we pay anything between 3 to 5 millions per month, depending on the number of activities that we have. It once or twice has gone above 5, but that anywhere between 3 and 5 million with all the that's all the facilities. We would expect at least a 40% saving.
But the installments could take some time as it is yet to get the go-ahead from government.
The final proposal is now with the Ministry of Finance. I know they've had, I think we all recognize that they've had to make some large expenditure that was not planned for COVID. I can't really speak for the ministry, but I know they're actively looking at it now, and we'll know shortly when. And remember, it's a 5-year plan to get the thing going. And even after they approve it, it's going to take another 2 years, 18 months to 2 years before it actually start.
The aquatic center will be the first to go solar whenever the IPL gets the green light, as the swimming pool is the most utilized of all the facilities at the complex, with activities running throughout the day for most of the week.
I think it's 33 million to look at the pool with a payback period of 4 years. That is what that's the one we're actively looking at. I can't remember the payback period for the others. And because the pool, where we're looking at the pool runs all day. So a substantial part of the day to be the power will be driving the pumps directly.
But storing power is going to be a problem for IPL, as it will need a battery system which could increase the cost.
Unfortunately, most of our energy is used at night, and the issue of the battery. So what we're thinking of doing is producing energy, selling to JPS in the day, so at least we get up at the night when we use it, because battery technology right now, as far as I know, is not where it ought to be. So we are not thinking of investing in battery.
In the recent test series between the West Indies and Pakistan, Sabina Park was run on a generator due to electrical problems at the park. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.